Daddy, bawal dito. Bawal. Ay, Daddy, you put na yung hotdog at saka ano?
Why are you always using that?
Uy, Daddy, wag dyan. Na, 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 na. Yeah.
I go to their on my color phone.
Come here. Because Tito Arnold is... What Tito Arnold doing?
Smoking.
Yeah. Do not go there.
I go with you.
Kuya Timmy, they are done?
What, Kuya? You get the picture. This shadow. Why that much? Why that much? Good night. Now we're not going.
Tayo mo na eh.
I think the water. This head because we did sunay. Ay sunay. Ay alay sunay is my shadow. Ay hey alay shadow. This my shadow. Ay hey.
Dad, tingnan mo muna doon kung may may vacant before mo move. We're going to park downstairs. Yeah, because we park there.
But this is our car.
Yeah. Meron? Ha? Anong ayos? Hayaan mo na. Diyan kaya? Asan ba? Diyan na lang. Kita ka pa. So lang ulan no? No? Wala talaga. Kahit yung sa gilid. Open pa nga yung window, oh. Open pa yung window, yan, oh. Yan yung unit namin, yan. Yan. Yan, oh. Hindi pa sinarado yung
On board.
Sige, wait lang. Bukas ba yan, Dek? Dapat binaba na natin yung yung para dun sa feeding. No? Yung dadalhin natin. We have puso here. Oh, it's raining. Itong mga to. Kuya Tim, can you get garbage plastic? It's because we're going to clean the van. Or you get some plastic, even not a garbage plastic. Oh, look at that. Lots of Di naiwan pala jacket dito di.
Iniwan ko talaga dyan, please.
Oy. My sombrero in the beach. Sa beach to for the beach. Dun sa likod.
May lipstick na ano.
Ito wag kasi pang giveaway to. Ito po. Pang giveaway yung Starbucks. Kuya.
Ito, kanino to?
Kay ate
I need to get something to the house.
Oh, it's here. So here. Oh, you go here somewhere.
Oh. But I went here before.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, look, abandoned church. That's Tito Byron. It's a abandoned church. And then it says that it's all the way over here. Ooh, a cool beach.
Are you going to swim later?
Yeah, I want to swim.
Okay.
Are we gonna swim at Elocos?
Ilocos? This is not Ilocos. This is Catanduanes.
na lang.
What?
Another bread.
Isa pa.
Isa pa, saka isa pa.
Look, this almost.
Equals 100 na.
Tito Byron, this almost
Where
my
are we?
name.
Crab.
This is
Crab,
almost.
crab.
This
Crab.
almost my name. This almost my name. Because look, it have A, B, C, and yeah, it have A.
Ibalik ang tali sa harapan at itali ito ng mahigpit ng naaayon sa inyo.
Tawa ka dyan.
Ikatlong hakbang, ilahin ang tali sa bandang leeg at itali ng komportable ng naaayon sa inyo sa bandang harapan. napansin ang driver may-ari ng sasakyan na may plakang EAA 7911. Makipunta po kayo sa
De, tumalon ka. Ay, ano to, ano? Di ba? Laging ano. Tapos pag ano, ayaw ko na.
Tapos ngayon tuloy na.
Bakit pick up?
Sa lahat po ng mga pasahero, muli po namin pinapaalala sa inyo na hintayin po muna nating makalabas ang lahat ng mga sasakyang nasa Carter bago po kayo bumaba. Inuulit ko po, hintayin po muna nating makalabas ang lahat ng mga sasakyang nasa Carter bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun na, nakalabas na. Alma, nakalabas na. Hindi lahat yun.
Lahat na kasi na-contaminize na yun eh. Lahat na-contaminize na yung ano, yung katabi.